For decades, we've built the expertise that moves machines, from factory floors to the front lines. We were born in robotics, and today that experience has evolved. We brought cognition to the physical world, machines that perceive, reason, and act with human-like capabilities. Now, we stand as a new kind of pioneer, uniting embodied artificial intelligence, autonomous systems, and American manufacturing into one vertically integrated force. From adaptive industrial machines that think like humans to autonomous defense systems that collaborate, our embodied AI powers critical missions, movements, and decisions. We fuse innovation with integrity, designing systems that are ethical, affordable, and built for resilience. Because true strength is not just power, it's purpose. We are Palladyne AI. We are the bold innovator, delivering embodied AI and systems that are grounded in ethical clarity and scaled for readiness to create a stronger, smarter, and more secure world.